Art, a fundamental part of the human experience. Not only does art allow one to express oneself, it also provides a healthy outlet for people to explore and manage their creativity. Visual art and creativity in particular is a crucial factor in the development of healthy coping mechanisms and channeling stress constructively in minors. Fortunately for most kids, schools implement visual art as a subject where students are able to learn and understand more about how to explore their creative side. And in this increasingly digital age, we asked ourselves, how do we use technology to make learning about traditional art more exciting? Today, we're here to discuss our newest technological innovation, MM Studios, which stands for Mixed Media Studios. We aim to provide high school learners with the option to delve deeper into the creative community by immersing them in art theory and artworks both internationally and locally recognized. We understand that not all schools have the resources or capabilities to take their students to art galleries or provide a creative space for students to explore themselves, which is why we've developed MMS, our software. MMS operates on a 3D online virtual platform known as Second Life and will be monitored by the teachers using it. This online virtual space is located on an island within Second Life and contains several environments and tools that facilitate the learning and teaching of students. MMS aims to supplement formal classroom teaching while also engaging students in a way that pushes them to take the initiative to teach themselves. The target demographic are learners in grade 10. The established courses included are Designs and Principles of Art and Art History. We aim to evaluate and assess learners' technical knowledge of visual art as well as the practical application of art theory. This is done by using both formal teaching and self-directed learning techniques. Formal teaching methods include providing a 3D virtual gallery in Second Life, where students are given the experience of viewing some of the most highly coveted artworks in history from the comfort of their laptop. Our gallery boasts artwork from both historical and contemporary artists, as well as both local and international art. We feel giving our students a South African perspective of art is vital in a country as rich in history and heritage as ours. In terms of teaching, students will be given artworks to locate in the gallery and will receive a test on said artworks as per the teacher's discretion. Students are also required to collaborate in groups to create an infographic containing information on said artworks. This digital or physical infographic will effectively serve as notes made by the students to learn from and can be submitted to the teacher physically or through Second Life. Students are also awarded points based on monitoring how many of the selected artworks they view in the gallery, as well as how long it takes for the students to find the artworks. This aspect of the virtual world incorporates a gamification, as more points means bonus marks at the end of the semester, and also incentivizes students to complete their work on a more timely basis. The intention of gamifying the learning experience is to try and entice learners into exploring their environment and interacting more voluntarily with the course material. Another aspect of the formal teaching experience will be the class videos or movie nights. This is a class activity where students get together to watch a video in Second Life that is designed to aid their understanding of key concepts within the course. This activity will be done in a centralized, open-plan lecture-like environment. Other activities students are required to do in Second Life include puzzle solving and trial and error aspects, which will also be completed in the lecture venue. An example of this activity is presenting each student with a mismatched color wheel. Students will then have to use their understanding of the designs and principles of art to correct the color wheel and put it in its original order. Here we also see aspects of gamification, as students will be awarded points that comprise of the accuracy of the color wheel and the speed at which they complete the puzzle. These activities incorporate both the curation and correction pedagogies and aim to provide both structured and unstructured learning experiences for the student. In terms of self-directed learning, students will have a centralized garden whereby they showcase their visual art. Art created in Second Life, digitally and physically by students, will be showcased here, and the option for other students to comment and interpret the art is available. Constructive critique and feedback is a vital mechanism of improving learners' understanding of the design and principles of art, but it also helps young creatives reflect on what they've done and help them improve in the long run. Student participation is compulsory and will be monitored, as this is a vital component that will affect the student's course mark. Towards the end of the course, students will have to choose a topic from a specified list and create an artwork by breaking down the topic and researching it. Students are also expected to provide a mind map of how and why they are designing their art the way they are. Once the teacher reviews this mind map and provides feedback, the student will then actually make their art, which effectively forces them to condense a lot of their research into its visual equivalent. These methods incorporate the creation, conversation, and chaos pedagogies, as learners will essentially be designing and creating something unique with the skills they've learned throughout the course, as well as learn how to effectively communicate and engage with other learners regarding the subject matter. All these activities will be taking place on an island where multiple classes share the various Second Life. We will include separate islands and facilities for other grades. Our world-class team of innovators and designers have been working on this project for months, with an equal amount of time dedicated to researching this concept. Key members of our team include Teang, Virtual Worlds design expert, Mikarl Naidoo, marketing director, Dr. Srikesh Singh, pedagogy consultant, Varun Maharaj, lead Second Life developer, and Ahmed Raja, lead project manager. We believe our software has the ability to provide skills vital to that of a 21st century student. In a world where physical borders do not pose barriers to students, we know there will surely be no shortage of talent from a range of backgrounds, and we aim to provide a universal aid to these young artists. Armed with newfound knowledge and skills, we know our students will benefit greatly from this course and take the creative community by storm.